We've spoken about the multiple layers of security. We've also talked about how the army has placed several sensors along the line of control. If there's any violation, the sensors give the army a buzz. But in the nalas, and there are thousands of nalas across the 740-kilometer long LOC, the army cannot put a fence. There are landslides where the fencing is just swept away. Now the army places ambush in these areas. Sometimes these terrorists manage to beat that ambush. Ashraf Wani exposes how these beautiful gushing streams across the valley hide a very sinister design to destabilize India. There are several tunnels and caves where a large quantity of arms and ammunition is already stocked. Terrorists sneak across with just their personal weapons, with just an AK-47 and a few rounds of ammunition, a few magazines of ammunition, and then they arm themselves here.
Kashmir's Gurez Valley. Hidden in the folds of the Himalayas, in the lap of nature, with several beautiful rivers and streams flowing across the line of control. A visual treat, or so you thought. These rivers and canals have become carriers of death. This is the Kishan Ganga River in Gurez, the new route of transport for Pakistani terrorists to come into India undetected, unchecked. And this is not the only one. With security tightened across the LOC, terrorists are using these icy streams and canals running across the line of control to infiltrate into India. A clear blow to Indian security forces who have been concentrating on checking the road transits and forest areas to stop infiltration.
After the high alert of army on line of control, the terrorists are finding new ways for the infiltration. One of the new infiltration tracks are the river banks. On the line of control, many rivers cross line of control at many places, so it is easy for the infiltrators to cross the line of control via rivers. That is why the high vigil of the army as well as BSF has been put on the line of control for these nalas and for these river banks, so that infiltrators could not infiltrate into Jammu and Kashmir.
This novel way to infiltrate from across the border has sent the security forces into a tizzy. They are now making elaborate security arrangements to foil these infiltration bids.
A large number of terrorists who are there in camps, who are looking to get across.
Heavy security has been deployed near the rivers and streams along the line of control.
दिन रात पेट्रोलिंग अम्बुश वगैरह पेट्रोलिंग ज्यादातर पेट्रोलिंग चलती है जी। आगे जो आने जाने के रास्ते होते हैं उन पर हम अम्बुश वगैरह करते हैं।
It's clear and present danger. The checks are now in place, but threat still looms large. Nobody knows for how long have the terrorists been using these rivers to come into India. And how many well-trained, well-armed terrorists have already managed to sneak into India ready to wreak havoc. Questions that security and intelligence agencies are desperately seeking answers to. With Ashraf Wani in Gurez, Patra Joshi, Headlines Today.